Hello and welcome to this Millennial Review where we're going to be installing ink cartridges in this Canon TS3522 printer. To do so is super simple. First, you're going to need the 276 ink cartridge color and then the 275 black ink cartridge. Those, once you have them procured, and I do have links down below if you need them, then in the front where your paper comes out from the feed tray, well, you've got this lever, press down on that, and then you're going to notice that the ink cartridge slots are going to slide out. And to get to the ink cartridge, you'll just pull down on this lever, and then the ink cartridge carrier is going to move into place. Before we insert the new ink cartridges, of course, we're going to have to pull out the old ones. So as you can see, the black is on the right side, color's on the left. And so in doing so, all it takes is a little press down on that blue lever, and that is going to allow the ink cartridge itself to slide out. So you pull both of these out and then begin to replace them. And then go ahead and take your ink cartridge, peel the cover off, just like so. Pull the ink cartridge out, and we're going to want to give this a good shake. So shake this ink cartridge up, just like so, and then pull the tab that's on the bottom, and the black ink cartridge is going to go into the rightmost cartridge slot. That'll just slide in, and then lift up the lever, and it locks into place. Now the process is basically identical on the color cartridge, so we're going to go ahead, take that one out, give it a good shake as well. Be sure not to touch either the print head or the connectors. And then this will slide right into place just like that, ready for you to lock up in place. And once the ink cartridges are in, now you can just put your printer back down like it was before, and it's going to take a little bit of time to do some initialization, and then the printer is going to be ready to use.